mga bad muscle memory, pero nakukuha nyo rin. So, continue being very diligent, no? Especially starting the breath flow. Generally, starting the breath flow. Generally, medyo natutuwa ako, nakaka-relax na yung mga ibang 6 areas nyo eh. So, I was speaking on breath flow kanina, tsaka, of course, alignment for some. Pero, I'm amazed na at least there's an effort there, no? To correct. And malaking bagay talaga yun with your performance tomorrow. I'm sure you'll all do much, much better. Siguro naman mataas na ang average nyo para naman... But it doesn't matter. You see, maganda rin na challenge kayo this week eh. Dahil napilitan ngayon kayo na talagang to work on anong kailangan nyo pang i-improve eh. And so you have to do that. Sometimes it takes that, that challenge for you to take up the, and work what you have. And then, knowledge, then dun sila to remind you. And remember, tulungan kayo, lalo the breath flow, yung mga kailangan, yung mga pinipigil yung hininga, go back lower work, and sing, lying down, have the same feeling. Pag meron kong tanong sila, at saka manunod naman, I will try and access. So, kung meron akong nakitang ganun, malalaman nyo rin. Well, yeah, I stay connected. Thanks to CFC. Oo, paano ko kayo makapanood, diba? That's the only way.
Galing, ano?
Oo, technology. Hindi rin ako mag-text. Diba? Mapanood ko back, diba? I'm a text.
Hindi pa yun, dahil.
Dahil ba, nako. Ang nalang mag-webcam ako. May 24/7 na ako. Sana.
Dollar.
Napapi. Hindi ako nag-vote. Object, syempre. Kasi I work you. So, hindi rin. So, please, ayan nyo yan. Ang dami na na-input sa inyo. And you have to remember, tomorrow fully is the day that you remember. Sasayang bring sa muscle nyo, up, breath, start the breath flow, and you'll be fine. Okay? So,
Ingat po.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Mababiyakoy. 7.5 hours.
Okay, ninervous ako buka.
Sila nila.
Tigas ng mga kamay niya. Tigas ng mga kamay niya, ano?
Good nga.
Sabay-sabay pa sila.
Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry.